Hi there and welcome to our video series on surviving with Git. In this episode, we're going to restore our complete project to an older version. Put another way, this means we're setting our head pointer to a previous commit. And effectively, any commits that came afterwards will disappear from our commit history. Let's look at a practical example and say that we want to return to this commit here. So let's remember the commit hash and use git reset with the --hard option and that commit hash. Using that hard option makes sure that we have a clean working copy after this action. So this means that no local changes will be preserved. We are left exactly and only with the files at that point in time. And here we go. We just rolled back our project to this old revision. Now let's use the Tower Git client to do this. In Tower's history view, we can simply right-click the commit we want to roll back to and select Reset Head from the menu. If you leave the Keep Changes option checked, then Tower will preserve all of the changes in the rolled back commits. I'll show you what I mean. If we were to reset to this commit here, the Keep Changes option would preserve the changes from this and this commit as local changes. You can then decide for yourself which changes you actually want to keep or further modify. The other alternative is to disable the Keep Changes option. And this is very simple. You are left with a clean working copy and no local changes whatsoever. That's already it. We have now successfully reset our project to an old version. Tower helps more than 100,000 developers be more productive with Git. Download it now at gittower.com and give it a try. 30 days for free.